So over here you can see that I have a picture right here and I have the layers panel opened up. And you can see that I only have one layer right now. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, effects right here. So let me just go around onto effects and click right here. So here I can apply out different effects as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and choose one effect and click right here, and the effect will be applied over here onto the picture as you can see. But if I were to go around onto the layer section, you can see that this layer is separate right here as you can see. So if I were to go around and bring it down, you can see that I still have the original image. So what I can do is I can utilize the move tool right here, and if I were to move this, you can see that this is a layer of its own, and you can resize it and keep it wherever you want right here. Press the check mark button over here. Let me just go around over here and let's go around onto the filters now. So let me just go around onto filters and apply out a filter right here by clicking on, let's say for example, neon glow. You can see that it gets applied onto the layer behind. That is because if I were to go to layers right here, this layer was actually selected, and in this case no new layer is created, only the selected layer is modified as you can see right here. Let me just go around and press undo, and now I'm going to select out the new layer that is the artistic effect layer right here. And if I were to go around onto filters now and then apply out, let's say for example a filter right here, then what happens is that it gets affected with the layer that is selected. You can work around with the brush size as you can see, and that is changed. You can work around with the brush details as you can see right here, and work around with the texture. And once you're happy, you can go around, press the check mark to apply it out. And that is how you can work around with effects and filters in expert mode in Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.